Okay, ladies, so I'm showing you my table and you have to remember all of this stuff on my table, okay? So look at my stuff. Can you see? Yes, you can see everything, right? Yes, you can. So this is a laptop. This is an umbrella. This is a wallet, keys, a pen, and a phone, and a book. You can see a book. Can you see a book? Right here, right? Okay, you see all my stuff. Remember what is here, and then you will have to tell me what is not here. Okay, look. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now. Okay, Sveta, you will be first. Okay, you have to say what is not here. So tell me, what is not here?
Key.
Keys, right?
Keys and wallet.
Yes, you're right. Keys and a wallet. Perfect. Okay, understand? Okay, great. Now, again, one more time. Look at these stuffs. Remember them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now, Nadia?
Umbrella.
An umbrella.
An umbrella.
And that's it. A wallet and umbrella. And that's it.
I said.
Yes, great. Okay, now one more time. Let's look at this stuff. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now let me take something. Yulia, now it's your turn. Look at this stuff and tell me what is missing.
Keys.
Without a. Keys, without a.
Yes, keys. And pen.
A pen.
A pen. And a wallet.
Yes, keys, a pen, and a wallet. Perfect. Okay, that was fun.